on? Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. I am super excited that you guys decided to stop back by and see me today. In today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY starburst mirror. Yes, I am super excited about this DIY because I'm going to be using these in my bedroom. Yes, I really love this trend. This is something that I mean, it was really popular maybe like 2-3 years ago. It's kind of have died down, but I just love the way they look. I love the character that they bring into a room, and I'm going to be doing mine like a gold color. I have 3 different types of gold because the look I'm going for is not like in your face type of gold. The look I'm going for is going to be kind of like a dulled down antique kind of rustic gold. Okay, yes, I am super excited about this. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I am super excited to get started on this DIY. If you don't know, I've had these mirrors for months and months, and I couldn't think of what to do with them. And so I went on Pinterest and I just went on there searching like ideas. If you guys don't know, Pinterest is like the mother lode of ideas. If you need some recipes, home decor, I mean anything that you can think about, go on Pinterest, search it. I'm sure that it will come up. So anyway, I went on Pinterest to get some kind of ideas on what I can do with these mirrors, and this idea popped up, and I was like, I have to do that with my mirrors. So here we are. So to start off, you're gonna take you a sheet of plywood, and you want to cut your plywood down to the size of your mirrors. So my mirrors are rectangle mirrors, and I've already pre-cut my plywood. So what I did was I placed the mirror on top of the plywood. Once I placed the mirror on top of the plywood, I just traced around the mirror, and after that, I went about 1.5 inch outside of the line that I traced next to the mirror. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that, but I went like 1.5 inches outside of that line, and I traced another line, and that line is going to be kind of like my boundary line. So the first step to this is that you want to get your dowels. Now these dowels I purchased at Home Depot. They didn't come like this. I had to cut them like this, and I just used my miter saw to cut them, and I just cut them in various sizes between 3 to 8 inches, and I cut them at an angle that way it could add a little detail to the mirrors. So we're just gonna start gluing these down like so, and we're gonna just pick dowels out of the box. I kind of have all of them mixed in, so we're just gonna just pick whatever we pick. That's what we glue down, because you want to have like a different variation of sizes glued next to each other. You don't want to put the same size next. So whatever you pull out the box, just glue it down. So let's get started. Okay, so using my liquid nail, I'm just gonna put a generous amount on the mirror. I'm gonna work in sections. So I'm gonna put glue down here, and then I'm gonna glue the dowels down. So here we go. So once we have all the dowels glued in, then we'll go back and start filling in the empty spaces on the corners. Okay. So we're gonna make sure these are glued down as tight and as closely together as we can. You may want to wear gloves with this if you don't want that glue to get all over your hands. That's the only thing that's gonna prevent you from getting glue on your hands. This is a very, 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 very messy project, but a very cute project. Once it's done, you're gonna love the outcome. Also want to make sure that you're going back every so often and just pressing the dowels down in that glue, okay? You want to do this before that glue dries all the way. Watching, you're the real MVP. Do me a favor, comment below and say, girl, I got you. Okay, so now that we have all the edges glued down, now we're gonna go back in, and where you see empty spaces like on the corners, we're gonna add little dowels on the corners on the ends to kind of like fill it in and bring the whole look together, okay? After we've completed gluing all the dowels down, then we're gonna get the mirror that we purchased and sit it on top, and that way it'll add a little weight what am I trying to say? It'll add a little weight to that, and so that it'll glue down real tightly. So we'll add the mirror, then on top of the mirror, we'll add books to add weight to it, okay? Hey, what's going on, everybody? It has been, I can't even get it out. It has been about 48 hours since I originally filmed this DIY. I wanted to come back and show you guys how this looked after it's been drying for about 2 days. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. This is how it looks. There are like a little few imperfections, like right here where the glue spilled over. So just make sure, if you're gonna try this project, make sure that you be mindful about the glue. How I'm gonna clean this up is, so I'm just gonna take it outside and I'm just gonna give it a good spray paint over that spray, and I'll show you how it looks once that's done. But here's how it looks. Some of these little areas like here, I feel like it's too many spaces. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add some more dowels in to fill in those spaces. And that's it. And then I'll show you how the final product looks, okay? So here is where I added a little trim, and voila, this is your final look. Don't you just love it? Yes, I do. This is beautiful, right over my headboard, the perfect spot. Hey guys, what's going on? If you're watching this, that means you've made it to the end of my video. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, there'll be some more videos somewhere over here that you can watch. If you haven't seen those, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.